Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novalema Rossi. Now, experiment title Pascal Law. Definition: Pascal Law states that any change in pressure applied to a fluid at rest in an enclosed container will be transmitted equally throughout the fluid without any reduction mathematically. Pascal law can be expressed as delta P equal rho times G times delta H, where delta P is the change in pressure, rho is the fluid's density, G is the acceleration due to gravity, delta H is the change in fluid depth. Classification: Pascal law is typically discussed in two main contexts: hydraulic mechanism. In hydraulic mechanism, Pascal law explains how pressure change in a fluid can be used to operate machinery or move heavy loads by transmitting pressure uniformly through the system. Pressure principle in fluid. More generally, Pascal law is used to explain the distribution of pressure in fluid in a confined space. Comparison of Pascal law and Archimedes principle. Main concepts. Pascal law: a change in pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally throughout the fluid. Archimedes principle: the buoyant force on a submerged object equals the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Cause and effect. Cause: a change in pressure applied to a fluid in a confined space, for example by pressing a piston into a liquid inside a cylinder. This effect: this change in pressure is transmitted equally throughout the fluid, generating a force that can move a piston or other object in the system. This can be used to lift heavy loads through hydraulic mechanism. Hypothesis: incompressible fluid. Pascal law applies to fluids that are essentially compressible, such as liquids, meaning the volume does not change despite change in pressure. Closed system. The law applies to fluids that are confined in a closed space. In other words, the fluid must be isolated within a container without leaks. Here are some examples of Pascal law in everyday life and technology: hydraulic system and hydraulic check.